Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material in all cases is 1,4-methylphenyl, 1-cyclopentane, which has two reactive CH sites, 1, the benzylic CH3 group on the para position of the ring, a primary benzylic position, and 2, the tertiary benzylic CH at the cyclopentane carbon directly attached to the ring, a tertiary benzylic position. Key concepts. NBS, N-bromosuccinimide, is a selective benzylic brominating agent under radical conditions. So too Cl2 under HV, light, is a radical chlorinating agent. Selectivity. When two benzylic positions are present, a tertiary benzylic position is more reactive than a primary benzylic position toward radical halogenation. However, NBS is specifically used for allylic benzylic bromination and tends to react at the more reactive, tertiary, benzylic site preferentially with one equivalent, or both sites with two equivalents. Actually, NBS with two equivalents brominates both benzylic positions, the CH3CH2Br and the tertiary CHCBr. So too Cl2 with two equivalents chlorinates both benzylic positions, CH3CH2Cl and tertiary CHCCl. When two different reagents are used in sequence, the first reagent reacts at the more reactive site, tertiary benzylic, and the second reagent reacts at the remaining site, primary benzylic CH3. Analysis of each conversion. A. Product has CH2Br from CH3 and Br at tertiary cyclopentyl carbon. Both positions brominated requires NBS, 2 equivalent. Match Q. B. Product has CH2Cl from CH3 and Cl at tertiary cyclopentyl carbon. Both positions chlorinated requires so to Cl to HV, 2 equivalent. Match P. C. Product has CH2Br from CH3 and Cl at tertiary cyclopentyl carbon. Tertiary position chlorinated first, then primary benzylic brominated. So to Cl to HV first, chlorinates the more reactive tertiary benzylic site, then NBS, brominates the remaining primary benzylic CH3. Match S. D. Product has CH2Cl from CH3 and Br at tertiary cyclopentyl carbon. Tertiary position brominated first, NBS is selective for the more reactive tertiary benzylic CH, then so to Cl to HV chlorinates the remaining primary benzylic CH3. NBS first, then so to Cl to HV. Match R. Why other options fail? Using NBS, 2-ake, for B, would give dibromide, not dichloride. Using so to Cl2, 2-ake, for A, would give dichloride, not dibromide. The sequential reagents differ in order. R. NBS then so to Cl to HV gives Br at tertiary plus Cl at primary is equal to product, D. S. So to Cl to HV then NBS gives Cl at tertiary plus Br at primary is equal to product, C. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Q, B, P, C, S, D, R. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches Q, B matches P, C matches S, D matches R.